All flights have to end with landing. A safe descent is therefore just as important as takeoff. Birds are expert at this and use their wings as brakes. This puffin can remain suspended in the air thanks to the air currents around it, and uses that same ability to land again. A moment's lack of concentration could have terrible consequences. Swans, some of the largest birds on Earth, land on water, just like a seaplane, and use their feet as brakes. A vulture uses the most accurately controlled flight and spot-on geometric calculation to make a safe landing in its nest on the edge of a cliff. It first aims at a point below its nest and makes a rapid descent, and then suddenly turns upwards, using the air as a brake, and its speed drops to zero just as it nears the nest.